Today, I'm going to teach you how to make a simple, homemade organic fertilizer. It's not only rich in nutrients but also long-lasting and easy to make. Isn't it both cost-effective and practical? This organic cake fertilizer is made from ingredients like rapeseed cake, peanut cake, soybean cake, sesame cake, and more. After microbial fermentation, it transforms into a biological organic fertilizer. It's great for promoting plant growth, improving soil quality, boosting disease resistance, and increasing both the yield and quality of fruits. Then, we have bone meal, made from animal bones. This organic fertilizer is rich in phosphorus and also contains potassium, calcium, magnesium, iron, and other trace elements. It helps plants bloom and fruit without burning the roots or harming seedlings. It's a gentle and long-lasting fertilizer. When you combine these two organic fertilizers, they provide fruit trees with all the nutrients they need, promoting the growth of new branches and leaves, enhancing disease resistance, and making the trees stronger. They also help with fruit formation and development, improving both quality and yield. The result? More vibrant colored fruits that taste better. But it's not just for fruit trees. You can use this fertilizer for various fruits, vegetables, flowers, and houseplants as well. Now, for the application. You can dig a few holes around the fruit tree, away from the roots, and place the mixed organic fertilizer in these holes, then cover it with soil. Alternatively, you can dig a trench around the tree, spread the mixed fertilizer evenly in the trench, and cover it with soil. The key is not to leave the fertilizer on the surface of the soil after applying the fertilizer. Remember to water it well to help the plants absorb and utilize the nutrients. Today, it's cloudy here, and the weather forecast says it will rain tonight, so I'm skipping the watering step for now, but the rest of the fertilizer will go to my flowers. This combination of fertilizers is rich in nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and a variety of trace elements. It helps with flower bud development, increases the number and quality of blooms, and boosts the plant's disease resistance and ability to withstand heavy winds. This makes flowering plants healthier and more visually appealing. A quick reminder, always follow the principle of light and frequent fertilizing. Don't overdo it.